Hello YouTube, thanks for watching. So this video today is just a follow-on from a few days ago when I posted about the prosperity marketing system. This is a system that you're going to be able to pretty much tweak and do whatever you want to do, control your downline. This is a downline builder and you can control what programs you want to put in here, and it's also pays out 100% commissions. But I've put together a few new pages here. So we've got these pages that you saw, but I've also got the longer page here. So I'm giving out a lot of training and tutorials in the back office, and that's what the team are going to get access to. So here's a new page. It has scarcity, it's got a nice countdown timer, but it's also got the FAQ section and what members are saying, which is important. It's mobile friendly. You also obviously get these pages as well, which are powerful, different variants. There's a video version here, bullet point version here. So I'm giving these share codes out, and I've got a training section in the back office that you guys will get access to. And when you share this out to your team, they get access to all this as well. So this is custom stuff for our team, and you get the share codes. These share codes are for Prosperity Marketing System platform share codes. So they're built into the system. And what happens is when someone comes to your page and then they put their name and address here, they get a free tour in the system. It's all integrated in the system. They get into the free tour and the system will take care of your prospects, get them upgraded. And also you can actually integrate this into your Leads Leap mailing list. But you can choose whatever mailing list you want. You can have Aweber, GetResponse, whatever mailing list system you're using. It pretty much integrates in virtually any mailing list system imaginable. But I've also created a little system that actually allows you to integrate it seamlessly into Leads Leap as well. So not only are you getting signups using these custom pages that come straight through using this page, but it also integrates into your Leads Leap mailing list. Plus, I give you access to the share code for our Leads Leap. So you get the share code and all the follow-up emails as well. So yeah, and then you just get into the system. So it's powerful, but not only do you get that, you get access to my video training, which I've put in here, all my modules and everything, the training, and your downline get this as well. So you're basically giving out what we have in here already, which is already huge value. But plus you're getting all my stuff as well with my training, and your downline will get to have that. And if you decide you want to upgrade to the owner level, which I highly recommend, which is only a one-time $97, you get to customize everything. You can either take my stuff out or keep it in there for your downline, or add some stuff of your own. If you're part of it, you can decide what programs, customize the programs, decide what you want to put in there, decide what you want to hide. You can delete programs. It's up to you. Plus, I'm giving away this exclusive lead magnet training course to teach you how to effortlessly create your very own lead magnets. I actually sell this course on Warrior Plus, but you guys will get that for free when you join under me in Prosperity Marketing System. Plus, you get my AI Essentials Guide. This is stuff that I've put together so that you'll get access to this training as well. So you get those video courses in there, the stuff that I put together. So plus this training as well. So this is not private label rights stuff. This is stuff that I created specifically for your journey in network marketing. And then you'll get these custom pages as well. So with all my share codes. So we've got a lot of stuff in here, and I'm adding stuff. And the great thing is it's a powerful income opportunity. You get 100% commissions. What does that mean? It means that when you bring in your first person, they stay on your front line, and you'll get the 100% commissions. Not only on the $12 per month. So as soon as one person comes in, you'll break even. But you'll also get that residual commission every single month. Plus, if they decide to upgrade to the owner level, and quite a few people do, you'll get 100% of that as well. Minus the charges, obviously, because the great thing is that they are managing their charges. Obviously, they're managing the money, so you don't have to figure out any kind of third-party payment processor or anything like that. You're not directly taking the commissions, which is in some ways a good thing, because people struggle around the world in different jurisdictions. They're trying to struggle with not being compatible with certain payment processors. So, but with this, you can either put your Bitcoin wallet address, or you can get in touch with support and put your Wise email address. So you can join Wise for free, and then you can put your Wise email address, and then you can organize, so it's set up so that it sends the money straight to your bank account. They also have a few other options in there, but this platform has been around for a good length of time. It's tried and tested, and a lot of people have been making a lot of good money with this platform. But more importantly, it's a tool that can integrate into whatever it is you're doing, in whatever set of programs you're promoting. It's a downline builder, and you get 100% commissions. And I'm giving out a lot of custom done-for-you marketing tools in here, as I've demonstrated. So come on board. Look forward to working with you guys. Thanks for watching, and see you on the inside. Bye for now.